When I think about my kids and my grandkids, I can't help but think about the country we will be leaving them with. I am concerned about the economy and how challenging it is for young people like my sons to get jobs. I want them to have a choice in what schools they send my grandkids to and to be able to afford to pay for their family's health care, which is getting more and more expensive. For most of my life, I've not been involved in politics. My husband and I have spent the last 24 years building and running a small court reporting firm in Denver. Like most parents who are also small business owners, we know how challenging it is to run a business while still taking kids to baseball practices and football dinners. I decided to run for office because I really believe my neighbors and friends who live in this district are smart enough to choose for themselves. I believe we are the best informed to make decisions about our children's education and our family's health care. My name is Laura Woods. I'm a mom, a nana, a small business owner, and a native Coloradan. I'm running for Senate District 19 because I believe we deserve better than our current government is giving us. Will you join me?